In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user can access the library via different buttons and tell you which limitations apply. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower and in some cases already in older Empower versions. If you navigate to the button New in the Start group of the Empower ribbon and click on it, the library window opens in the Master Templates area. In addition, the company library, user library, and the corporate design templates are available for access on the left side. In contrast to opening the library via the library button in the Start group, you can see that only the master templates, corporate presentations, and slides are available to you via the button New. You can use the button New to create new content or access only PPTX files or slides already stored in the library. For example, you can use prepared slide templates or presentation templates from the company library to fill them with your content. Alternatively, you can also work with the corporate design templates to create new slides and presentations. Or of course, start directly with the selection of a master and thus an empty presentation. If you open the library via the library button in the Start group of the Empower ribbon, then in addition to the areas Master Templates, Corporate Presentations and Slides, you can also access other areas such as text elements, charts, tables, icons, pictures, videos and smart arts in the Corporate Design templates. According to this, you can use the library button to fully access all elements of the library if a PPTX file already exists initially, regardless of whether it is newly created and the master has already been selected, or an existing PPTX file or even a slide is opened. This also works if you open a locally stored PPTX file. In addition to these two ways to access the contents of the library, you can also use the Quick Access pane, which is structured in the same way as the folder structure of the library. Here you can quickly and easily access library content when working with presentations and slides to create your own content. For more information about the library or the Quick Access pane, visit the Help Center and YouTube. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.